Okay, good morning, guys, or good evening, whatever. So, video support for our asynchronous class. Topic is chapter 6 of physics for engineers. So, we go back to our syllabus from the third memorandum. So, we start with fluids and elasticity. So, basically, major topic for 6 is about fluids and some part of elasticity. Um, 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 Subtopics would be, of course, about density, buoyancy. Solid density is a general term. You can apply it for metals, um, air, fluids, and then buoyancy is for usually used for fluids. Okay, fluids, particularly liquid. So there are two types of fluid. You have the gas phase and the liquid phase. So buoyancy, usually the problem here for buoyancy is more on the liquid phase. And then you have fluid flow again for liquid. You can also apply this for fluid which is in a gas phase. So fluid flow, particularly Bernoulli's equation or energy balance, leading to Bernoulli. And then part of elasticity. You have stress, strain, and elasticity. So that will cover chapter 6. um, Going back to the book that we'll be using, I think that will cover fluid mechanics and then equilibrium, part of equilibrium, chapter 11 here, only the elasticity part. Stress strain, and then you have your, they call that, Young's modulus, very important for CE, civil engineers. Also, fluid mechanics, very important for, let's say, dams. You have your rivers wherein you put some restrictions to it. Usually, the civil engineers put dam, the flood control projects. Yun. So, these are what is covered here. So, we will start actually with fluid mechanics because we will just be talking part of chapter 11, only the elasticity part. This part here, stress strain, and then probably elasticity and plasticity. So we will start with fluid mechanics because I think we will cover all of those, of course. Pinaspasit aton, sang litwari talaga ini din ni masayong kay limited talaga aton time. Um, okay, that's all. Uh, of course, we have here density. We've already talked about density when we had our chemistry, since you were under me for chemistry. So we're talking about density of materials or solid materials. But here, usually the density is more on the fluid materials. Okay? So, but anyway, density is just a mass over volume. You get a matter, whether it's the gas and then or a liquid or a solid, and then weigh it. You have the mass, and then find the volume that is contained. So you have your density. So density is constant with respect to of course temperature, and also dependent if it is solid, gas, and liquid, because as you can see, your for solid materials, the density really doesn't change much with respect to temperature. But with fluids, it does. That's why, because your density is the volume part. The volume part. Of course, mass is an intrinsic property, so you can measure the mass, and it will not change. Um, Kunhain ka man parted universe, but the volume, it depends on, because the volume is the space where that matter is contained, the space that matter is contained. So it also talks about the bonding between the atoms that composes that matter. So if you are in the solid part, basically the volume is restricted, I meaning fixed. While or if you're on the liquid side, again, the difference between solid and liquid, in the liquid side, the molecules and atoms can move past each other. So but they cannot separate that much. So therefore the volume is fixed, but it can change shape, which is a concern with volume, because when you talk about volume, measuring it would be somehow uh, pwede ya talaga gin mamano-mano. Sa amin to concern niya. Pag-abot nimo gas, of course, separated na iya, therefore the volume can change. Because it can compress a little or it can stretch a little. That's why we say that volume of gases changes with respect to the surudlan. But of course, it connivancy ni is papunta ha pressure nga side. So makikita ninyo din iton um, connivant, or we call the relationship between pressure and density. So we have some densities. So you can use those. Of course, you can start copying it or photocopy it so that you will have something to use during quizzes. And then we have the term specific gravity. Usually, specific gravity is bagagyapon niya in density. Kaya lang, the definition of this is the density of a material with respect to the density divided by the density of water, which we know that that is equal to 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter or 1 gram per cc. So, bagalayan diri apektado. That's why when we talk about specific gravity of a material, baga nagyap yan density, because we know at that particular temperature, labi na kung mga room temperature la, the density of water is almost 1. So, but again, specific gravity is a unitless. Wareya unit. Kaya no, density over density kasi ya. So, definition ito ya. So, you can use it actually interchangeably as long as you know the definition of your specific gravity. And then, here, the pressure of a fluid. So, again, pressure can be usually applied um, as long as there is force. So, as long as there is force, that force is acting at a unit area, usually per unit area, then that's the definition of your pressure. Force per unit area. So your area that's talking about is, if you're talking about the plane surface, your force that you're talking about is perpendicular to it. Amo ito ini nga iya kuan nga sign. So the force perpendicular to that area, we call that pressure. Okay? So the force perpendicular to that area is pressure. So this is the area that I'm talking about. So if I put a force here, so that force perpendicularly with that area would be counted as the pressure. Pero kung gintagilid ko ya, of course you have to get the force which is perpendicular to that area. So you can apply pressure by just simple force, or usually the concept of fluids, um, since fluids are interacting with each other, meaning the bond between them is making that force, therefore you can define a pressure for fluids in whatever part you're talking about molecularly. So that's pressure, and the unit of pressure is, usually we use the Pascal, which is the abbreviation of Newton per square meter. So square meter is the area, Newton is the force. Okay, so you can apply that concept of pressure usually in fluids kita din fluids, which is usually liquid and gases. So aditiya usang explanation in terms of your, of course, mathematics. So basahala ito ninyo. Intindiha, of course. Ataton kasi aim din is more or less just to um, more on the solving skill. Okay? Then you have your, this one is your develop equation for your change in pressure with respect to a changing in your fluid. Because as you can see, yes, you have a pressure with respect to parapin since um, gases are not really that because they are farther apart. So, itong imo pressure in any point, somewhat, diri masyado na change. Mapapansin lang niyo itong change. Why change in pressure is important? Because makikita niyo yung mga viscous fluid like mga mga water, oil, makikita nimo nga iti mo pressure not change with respect to distances from the uppermost part. While on the air, diri masyado. Again, so mapapansin niyo itong air by kilometers. Amo iton, mapapansin niyo nga itong earth is covered by gas. Mapapansin niyo nga ang part nga waray na coveran gas is you have zero pressure. Amo ito, pagsasabi natin gawas it universe, waray ka na pressure because waray ka na air dito. So as you enter the earth, ani mo pressure na start to build up. Because sa malaksing istorya, that pressure is the mass of those gases ada igbaw. Di pakasulod na nimo atmosphere, may dana nimo gases sa igbaw. So and then may dat nimo density multiplied by that pull of gravity because that gas matter air is being pulled by gravity and that's what creates pressure. So amo gyapon ito ha liquid kaya lang ha liquid is masyado ya ka OA. I-compare nimo gas. Sanglit tayo mo gas tag kilometers anay before mapansin nimo ang difference in pressure. So importante nga maaram kita ang difference in pressure. That's why difference in pressure is being equated into something mathematical because as an engineers we have to account for those difference in pressure. So this one is general but mapapansin niyo nga magagamit ta more usually ini ha mga liquids. Kaya fluids again diri masyado kung diri kilometers yung istoryahan. So Y2 is the upper part wherein the upper part is usually upper part iti mo liquid kung adi kita ha bawbaw ito na that upper part is reference zero. So meaning adi igbawit ka tinikangan nati paubos ka so negative ya. So that's why gin negative ya. Okay? Gin negative ito ya dida to compensate that you're talking about Y2 which is smaller height. Adi at height nga 180 in pressure because as you go along iton imo liquid mas may da ka na adi bawbaw. So kung may da ka na bawbaw, more pressure is hitaas na tiya pressure. So nakita niyo, ito yung negative. So because of again because of how it is been modeled. So that is pressure 2 minus pressure 1, negative of rho. So your rho is your density, your g is again your pull of gravity, your acceleration due to gravity, and then y2 minus y1. So you have the change in pressure. So amit yun, mapapansin mo tiya, may-measure mo tiya, ha mga liquid, for example, maglaro ka dagat, you can actually measure the change in pressure as you go deeper into a lake or in ocean. So actually, this equation here is somewhat similar ini nga rho more on ano ba ya actually pareho lang nira kaya lang mapapansin nimo nga nimo teka so mapapansin niyo hini nga equation actually similar lagap ito ya amo lagad gap ito ya yes kita lang iya how it is being modeled so didi ani mo kung may daka kuno didi na exist nga point so it pressure ito dida kay usually iti mo usually pakiana ito dida anot pressure ito dida kanina kasi is more on the pressure difference dani kasi gagamit naton nga concept kung kareg naton mag-measure hin tangki di ba may dani mo tangking gas tapos may dakala dida valve so you are measuring actually the change the difference in pressure between the outside and the inside. So iniya nga equation yung osa more on ginagamit iniya kung karag naton masabtan kung anong pressure dinhi. Diri the pressure difference. Or malaksi nga istorya adi pwede usually adi ang concept kasi ha mga fluid nga mga gases. Usually am tak pagkaintindi ni iniya how it is being used. But anyway, you are similar like to already kay because kita mo di derivation, your y2 minus y1 is now considered as h. So ginhimula yung height which is actually negative ito yung value pero di positive. Because you're already ani mo kasi point is adi na ubos tapos ginhimulat yung positive height which is the y2 minus y1. Okay? Amo siya nga iti di positive leya rho gh. Okay, and then your P is PO which is the atmospheric pressure usually labi na kung dagat iya or lake ito nga PO is 1 atmosphere tapos Because amo ito aning pressure di diha babaw ito na. Usually, kung so ganito nga pag-apply. Okay? Pressure in a fluid, labi na ini nga iya pag-derive itong equation. So, amo lagap ito iya. Okay? Then, after that, we have the Pascal's principle. Pascal's principle is just actually a balance between pressure in 2 points sa mga constricted nga mga spaces. For example, yung gagamit nato niya yung hydraulics. So, basic iniya. So, basic iniya, meaning, hydraulics is more on force an imo mga liquid nga mga kuan. For example, di ba mga brake nga mga hydraulics na yan na. So, amo tiya. Amo niya nga concept. May danimo fluid in a container. So, kung i-open mo latiya, ini nga imo din ni part, nga ini mo din ni part, of course, that is balance. Or bisan pa hindi nga part, or bisan pa hindi nga part. They are balanced. So, kung magkuha kang duha nga point, ini nga point, ini nga point, so makikita nimo iba't ira area, so magdi-differentialera nimo area that nga surface, the area on that surface, and then, of course, ang pag-change in area is of course nakakibat dito change in imo force. Okay? So, amo lang ito yung equation. This is just a pressure balance between 2 points. So, importante niya concept, hiton imo, let's say, level of water, hiton bisan la, ordinary nga pag-level iton mga kuan, hiton mga carpenters. So, nakakahimo yung rantadong kay because that pressure on the same side, as long na mga buho ito ira, di ba, is the same. Okay, sanglit, talaga ma-level ito ira because at a point in your earth, pareho iton imo pressure nga nagin-exert. So, kung imo ito killing, of course, igpupush lang out niya as long na buho hiya or open niya to the atmosphere. Kay pareho matira pressure ha, open it atmosphere. So, amit yan, na-level ito talaga nga tanan nga imo fluid kon open to air because that opening will pressure to it is more or less equal. Okay? So that's the concept of your Pascal's principle. So we'll be using those to analyze pressure or forces or probably area kanimo mga fluid nga ada sa mga surudlan. Okay. That is a useful concept. And then we have the concept of absolute pressure and gauge pressure. Usually, absolute, siring ko pa man, absolute pressure is ang total pressure. So, para panim temperature, nati kang itiya zero. While your absolute pressure, our gauge pressure is pwede tiya mag-negative. Puro para giyapan imo temperature. So, puro para ito ang concept. Your gauge pressure is, for example, may example na yan nga di, pag siring ko nung 32 PSI, it karasing nito nga 32 PSI, 32 PSI plus ang imo atmospheric pressure. Nga atmospheric pressure is constant 1 atm or ini nga 14.7. Ini nga 14.7 pounds per square inch. It 1 atmosphere ito ya, meaning ini nga atong pressure nga natatagamtaman di babaw tuna. So that is 14.7 PSI. So kung nasa rin kita 32 PSI para kaliding, usually mga kaliding, usually takaliding nga ni mga motor is pag mga 6-seater that is 45 PSI. So karsingon nga 45 that is gauge pressure. So actually sobra ito hanimo atmospheric. So actually ito nga imo ini nga imo 32 just let's say 32 PSI. Ito 32 PSI that is 32 plus 14.7 or more or less 47 PSI absolute. 47 PSI absolute. Absolute. Adi hiya gauge. An imo sobrahan imo absolute. Awan imo atmospheric. So usually bagabayan atmospheric gin si zero ito ya dida tapos na ihap ka which is what we call the gauge pressure. Sa amin to gauge pressure nimo pwede ka magkamay ada negative kay gin zero man nimo an imo atmospheric pressure kung ginsoyop nimo an imo for example may danimo usa ka surla tapos ginsuyop nimo na hangin. Kita tawag ito nga vacuum pressure. So gauge pressure ito niya is negative. Pero ik absolute mo nga ni of course ma-positivity kay nimo absolute pressure is zero and imo adto outer space. Amo imo absolute pressure. So absolute pressure is zero outer space as long as may matter because sa outer space waray matter. Of course, kung nakaleton waray matter nga side. Naglutang-lutang ka outer space. So you have zero absolute pressure. Okay? So zero absolute pressure ngan kung may dala nimo matter, kung nasulod ka imo earth atmosphere, may dala nimo air, therefore may dala nimo concept nimo gauge pressure. Sanglit ida earth usually gauge pressure itaton gibabantayan. Kay ginfix naman naton nga or it is understood nga aton atmospheric pressure with the weight of the air nga tikang itbugos nga earth nga nagko-compress sa aton is 1 atm or 14.7 psi. So that's the concept of your gauge pressure and absolute pressure. Okay, then we come to the concept of buoyant force. Buoyant force is important. Uh, Buoyant force is important sa mga sa objects na nalutaw. Usually amo talaga niya or any matter nga karag ning palutawon or to account the forces that exert on objects which is hanging on a fluid. Hanging on a fluid. Any simple device which uses um, buoyant force para ma-measure ang density. Usually nagamit kami ini hakuan as is G meters, salometers. So, ano man concept it buoyant force? It buoyant force kasi is a force of the body that is exerted on the body kay may daniya gin displace nga liquid. Of course, ani may space man niya gin kaon. So, kung may dani mo dida usa nga matter just like this, may dani mo ito force nga which is equal to the weight han imo gin kaon nga space nga kanan fluid. So meaning it buoyant force itong acting on the body kay because may da volume nga nawara didaan ang imo kanan body. So usually it problem ito pag accounting ng imo buoyant force ay force nga equal han imo liquid nga nakasurround in terms of volume nga which is rho hg. In terms of volume han imo liquid nga nakasurround dito ang matter which is usually mg, mass and pull of gravity, mg. Oh yes, mg man, mg, the buoyant force. So again, that is a force, so that is newton. So force usually gina-account itiya labi na kung nagtatry ka pag-analyze nimo force nga aada ha imo nakalutang iya ha tubig just like mga barko, mga anything that flows or anything nga nahuhulog ha tubig nga may da niya buoyant force bangin perdit iya buoyant force diri kayat iya buoyant force palutaw niya kita niyo. So actually that is the buoyant force is the force which is the culprit kaya no nagkakalutaw aton mga barko. So gindi-design niya nga may da hull, nga may da space. Nga meaning air itada dida. Bisan metal iton iya surudlan kay air man itada dida. So apil ito computation imo buoyant force. Ito nga force nga na-displace niya. Okay? So and that will push your object or let's say mga barko nga ni ay mo water system. So that is an important concept. So amo la talaga tiya wala nga ni further discussion and then compute dayon. So anyway, makita lang niyo ginaano ya paggamit it nga buoyant force. Basta ginagamit iti usually didto na mga summations of forces. Ngan adto yat summations of forces on y kay tipaigbaw man lahiya. Okay? If you want to account the force on hangatanan, so tawag ito is pressure. Tama tiya gamit. Okay? And then wala man computation with surface tension so gin-discuss lang niya iba sa halat tiya dida. And may computation ini again, but of course computation mulat akon more or less concerned. Kay pinaspasa man lagi. So fluid flow ito next which is katapusan. Nga na fluid flow may da ini kinatawag nga mga laminar flow. You read. Laminar flow is mahinay nga dalagan nga kundi nit imo flow is mahinay dalagan nga imo flow is diri na iibanan in energy as it flows. Na iba na energy kung malaksi na nga nit imo flow with respect to viscosity ha, diri malaksi with respect to kay may daman basta nga ni anything that flows ginko consider ito nimo of course itiya surudlan kadako itiya aragian. Another thing is animo viscosity, animo kalapot. Okay? Another thing is ang kalaksya nimo flow. So amo tira iton mga condition kaya no ma-account nimo iton anything any fluid that flows or you can account or importante tiya concept kay of course we know a flowing body consists of forces nga that might probably makakasira itong dam bisan like hold nimo itong water in the dam di ba may that niya pressure as it goes along the deep. So pag buhi ito nimo let's say maghimo kayong buho kay which is usually let's say maghimo kitan hydrothermal plant di ba nga papalutson mo ito nga tubig kay may danimo may dito niya potential energy. So pag palusot nimo ito ay is may daniya flow. Nganito nga flow kailangan nimo i-account. Probably di mo ma-account ito ano ka kusog, di ba? Ano ka kusog kay nakadepende man ito ano kadagkot imo gagamiton niya surudlan, di ba? Even in damot iya application. But anyway, asang na may fluid flow, amo init iya basic. Basic of fluid flow is just a balance of your flow. A balance of your flow. Ani man niya? Amo tiya a balance of your flow is kung may dani mo duha nga flow magibat area sa aminit ira equality. Hito nga duha nga area. Let's say duha nga tubo, durda ko didi, gurguti didi. So makikita nimo nga area multiplied by the velocity, this V is the velocity or the velocity rate. The velocity rate of your fluid, kami damat niya rate ang pagdalagan. So multiplied by the area is equal bisan diin nga part hanimo fluid flow as long that it is laminar. Ito gin-establish ana niyan laminar flow. Kaya of course pagka nimo iton turbulent flow which is the other case again it laminar flow ano tiya hamalaks nga pagintindi is mahinay nga dalagan nga waray ka nalalabtan or continuous that imo flow nga waray ka iba nga energy nga nalalabtan. Kaya kung malaksi na nga ni hira mismo iton it imo mismo fluid itself may dat nira nakakapas ka sira between each other. So, probably may da mga amin hindi at mga discussion nga di. Probably may da dissipation na nim energy. Some are eddies, bisan imo mga aragian, di ba? Kung gutiin dur imo surudlan, nagkakamiada ito yahin restriction, so nagkakamiada ito yahin turbulent flow. Sa amin ito, imo laminar flow, iti ito imagination, hiluwagan surudlan, an imo mga liquid nga na flow, kung molecule to molecule, diri ra nag uunahay. Diretso lahiya. Meaning kung hini nga part, amot iya galaxy, ini nga molecule with respect to another molecule, pag sunod nga kuwan, diri ra nakakauna with each other. They are just flowing parallel to each other. While for pagka turbulent flow, diri not so good case. Ngan amo iton medyo complicated na iya. Ngan waray din ni computation about turbulent flow. Just like this. So, turbulence is laminar is makikita nimo mga straight line like tuya. So, gini-imagine niya nga or usually, mo talaga fluid na travel itira in terms of strata. Bagan so din kung imagine nimo. So, kung bisan ito may bubbles, bisan bubbles oh. So, you can actually compute or analyze any fluid in a fluid. So, para yun, I think this is air bubbles, laminar flow around obstacles of different shapes. Obstacles. Ito may dani mo didi, obstacle. So, makikita nimo nga masimang hiya, so amin yung postura na nimo liquid flow. Kung may dani mo something lidong nga matter didi. So, na matter talaga hiya. Iti mo mismo aragian. So, again, na laminar flow, na imagine nga waray ito hiya, I mean, dili nagmi-mix animo liquid. Amo track nga molecule to molecule is parallel nila to another. But on your turbulent flow, o naman, mga laminar flow. But anyway, laminar man lang talaga aton a-apply ang aton equation. Because ini nga mga equation na apply ini ha mga laminar flow. Which is, first is the flow balance. This one is the flow balance or continuity equation of incompressible fluid. So incompressible is mga liquid. So ginagamit nga equation ng mga liquid, meaning water, saline, oil, itira, incompressible. Pagka di kasi iton imo mga gases, they are compressible fluid. So iniya, again, ginagamit la ini for incompressible fluid. And then pakadto na ini ha imo Bernoulli's equation, which is the pressure is being attached to that equation. Amot imo Bernoulli's equation. More on pakadto na yat energy balance actually. Hamon kasi is daon pat gindudugang ini. Pero ini hiya is the simple one for laminar flow inside tubes. So which is a balance between 2 points. So bagay ni gapang kanina nga balance pero didi gin-account na nimo pressure, of course, nga nan imo flow, nga nan imo density. So gin-account na. Density more on the pull of gravity dito nga side. So this is more on the potential energy, this is more on the pressure side, and this is more on the kinetic kung sugad nga pagintindi because this one is velocity, the flow, velocity rate, adi an imo potential, adi an imo pressure. So it's just a balance of 2 points nga accounted an imo more or less on the energy part. Ang kanina is a balance between flow lang. So gingamit iniya pag-derive liwat ni Bernoulli's equation nga accounting na for your density and your potential, the pull of gravity. So amit at last naton lang ay istoryahan for your fluid mechanics. So may dat niya mga terms pa dida, mambasala niyo. Because again, akong concern talaga din is animo computation. And then the viscosity nga part, of course, introduce niyan viscosity, ang lapot, kaya of course, it does affect your laminar flow. So, viscosity is tipakadto na init imo turbulence nga discussion, meaning di rin na laminar. Nga nit imo iton equation actually nag-iiba, di man no? Turbulent flow, this is a laminar flow. Di ba? So, turbulent flow is bisan water nga daan, pwede tiya mag-turbulence as long na gimpalaksyan nimo an imo awas or ginpahigutiay nimo ang surdlan. So, you have a case of turbulence. And that ends our fluid mechanics, and then we go to part of your elasticity and plasticity. Actually tat kukuhaon la din kay ilaba pagyap niya chapter. So atong ladies ma-introduce ka mo iton elasticity nga part. Usually gamitin niya concept sa mga metals, labi na mga CE. Yes, metal era pero gina-account nato nan era part nga diin nagkakamay may danira elongation, deformation. So amo tiya, amin nga topic. Ami to tiya, kanan metal ya pero we're talking about the elastic part, the plasticity part. So actually mga solid pero pwede natin i-apply niya concept. So anything na gini-stress, may force kang gina-apply sa mga solid, nagkakamay-ada tiyahin stress. Stress is may mga term nga da. Stress is tuman shear stress. Stress is force over area. So actually pressure ya iti mo mga stress. And then man mga definition kasi inira. Damo niya but again it aton line i-concern na aton is think of it as a summary to niya at imo yang modulus kundiin gintetest naton it material or kamo malami ng mga CE iton mga metals kutob nga kundiin iton imo force may the effect han imo for example metal ano gin compress nimo depende ang kakusugan force actually may dito niya resistance ito nga particular nga matter. Okay? May resistance ito niya kay of course ani mo molecule to molecule nakalakman ito niya. Pero naabot iton kakusog niya nga kundiin ito nga resistance is na for parapet rubber nga pag na-resist niya pero pag buhian nimot nga force nabalik niya. Okay? Kumbaga kita at window, itong window nga kailangan naton masabtan ng mga metals or mga solid materials is may da kita gana-apply nga force. I think amin tiyakuan. Okay, naabot kasi iton kuan port iton part, di ba? Gin let's say may daka matter or metal or solid nga gin apply in force. So may deto niya kakusgunit force nga dependent material nga may katubtuban la nga diri malalabtanan iya, meaning mabalik lang iya kay kausa, mabalik lang iya. I think this is the first part ini iya. As you put your force, your stress, di ba? Pag buhiin mo ito nga force, mabalik lang ni original. So may deti usa nga instance. Pero makakaabot ka tiya instance nga pag mag-apply ka in force, may da na malalabtan na iya. Meaning, ani mo molecule to molecule, magkakamayada na yung change han ira banding. So amo ito nga part iti mo plasticity nga side. Yes, mabalik pa ito iya, pero ani mo iton force with respect up. Ani mo ito strain with respect to stress. Ani mo si strain is, of course, may dito niya definition niya da. Meaning, ani mo stress to strain is di rin na linear. Kaya lang, may concept is strain. So, you have to, stress is, of course, related to force. Nganit imo strain is related and imo deformation. Amo ito X. Di mo ito mga definition didi. Anyway, you have to read for the mga definitions, of course. Kaya ako, diretso malaki nin. Di man. So, damo kasi ito yung force. May dani mo compressive force, may dani mo, diba? Damo tirangan. Of course, damo ito yung force, damo ito mo stress. May dani mo compressive stress. Kung compressive ito mo force, may dani mo compressive stress. Kung tensile ni mo force, may dani mo tensile stress. So, amo ito yung mga term. Stress. Stress, and then you have that term strain. Sa name mo strain is something on the volume. So, ang pag-change mo, sa amo ito nga part lagi nga, may, animo kasi bond between material to material, medyo nalalabtan na, di rin na bounce back. So, ito connotation dida, or terms ito dida nga involved is, strain. The change in volume per se. See? The stress, strain. So, stress and strain, yung gravity for materials, ngan amin niya sa litira, itira difference. Ito nga, nasa na ako, ito nga mga point. Nga idea, may pagbalik, idea, iba na itiya dalagat. I mean, diri kasi tiyan na nakikita naton, but, nami-measure naton in terms of mga equipment. Nga talaga, hindi ni linear pa ya. Pag-aabot din nga part, hindi nga part, which is the elasticity nga part, is, may na strain nga na hinabo. Yes, strain. Oh. Or, may mga term. Until, hini din nga fracture point. Kung din, mauutod na talaga ya, or mabigay na animo o sa nga point. Depende kung hainan mahinay nga part. Iba kay solid man niya. So, but anyway, this is the concept, pero, of course, makadila kitahan direct kagamit aton mga ginme-measure. Ini nga imo usually ini kasi naka-table na tiya. Naka-table na tiya, which is I think adto to salot nga chapter. So kita tala kay may pagbalik ini dito ini manera. Breaking stress man niya. Usually it gamit din ni ani mo Young's modulus. Man ini nga Young's modulus. Ato ni dito ko pa kasi gin-introduce dito katikangan ni nga chapter. O di diha stress strain moduli. May din mga table. So adi man moduli elasticity, modulus elasticity. So adto nga graph actually gin-measure naton mga material tas ginhimuan tayo hini nga concept. Libro kasi mas mao pa ito mag-explain, of course. Ako nagtatry lang ako pag-explain based ako na intindihan. Okay? So I think that covers our whole chapter. Thank you guys for listening. Pwede mo lang i-skip kumbaga mas mao pa yung mag-explain ng book. Thank you guys.